Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. I hope you are having a great day. I am currently posted in pediatrics. I am gonna make an entire week's vlog and take you through my entire pediatrics posting. So along with attending the hospital and wards, we will also have an exam in the end. So we will also be studying for that simultaneously and solving questions and tests. Hello everyone, welcome to day one. This is my buddy Nishant, and we usually attend all postings together. So we are going up from the left towards the ward. So this is the pediatric ward. This is where we come usually before our lecture to take cases and take histories. So for the first 1 hour, we observe patients and take a history and talk to the patients and learn about their diseases. Then we have a lecture in the side room where these are my batchmates and we are. So guys, we are in the ward, we are in the PICU. इधर हमारे lectures होते हैं एंड अभी हमने एक केस लिया. सीजर्स का केस था, बच्चे को कन्वर्जन्स थे. सो वी टुक अ डिटेल हिस्ट्री. We are still not taught examination, so they'll teach us examination today. And history taking, basically whenever we take history, we have to write it down on in our books. And then when the lecture happens, the teacher comes and each student is supposed to present a case. And based on the case, we have discussions where we learn about the disease and about how to take history, and then we come to a differential diagnosis. So this is how we are training to be good doctors.
अरे बहुत जगह है, नहीं जगह है, बोलने बहुत जगह है, अरे बहुत जगह है, नहीं जगह.
अभी हम सेकंड फ्लोर पे है. वो लिफ्ट से क्यों नहीं गया था अपन?
वहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ थी भाई.
So I just got done with my posting and sir taught us a lot of points about epilepsy and seizure disorders. So postings are not just beneficial for us as students to learn on patients. They are also beneficial for patients, as when we speak to patients and take their history, we also get to counsel them about vaccination and what to feed their kids and all the other lifestyle changes and precautions that they should take, which improves their life quality and health. So it is a win-win for both. So I'm ready an hour before college because today I'm gonna go and take a case alone. Yesterday मैंने मेरे friends के साथ case लिया था, but that is not gonna be the situation during exams. So I will have to take my own case. So I am just practicing for that, and I just hope I don't. I just hope they don't make me present today. And आज college के बाद हम सीधा घर पे आके we'll have a long study session. So कॉलेज जाने तक वेदर वॉज रियली गुड एंड सडनली बारिश शुरू हो गई और पूरा मूड बिगड़ गया मेरा. मैं रास्ते में मेरे को रुकना पड़ा, बट आई वॉज अर्ली एंड अचानक से कॉलेज पहुंचने तक सब वेदर ठीक हो गया. तनया भोसले प्रेजेंटेड विद चीफ कंप्लेंट्स ऑफ
sneezing, cough, cold since 1 month. Since 1 month, with a gap of 10 days with no symptoms, then again the symptoms started.
आज केस लेने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है और कल वैसे भी छुट्टी है क्योंकि कल सर्जरी का पेपर है. I just got done with my posting and tomorrow we have a surgery exam, so we won't have postings. But today in posting, sir taught us history taking again and how important it is to take a history of a patient. It is just like the story of a patient. ये देखो मेरा नया जुगाड़. आज कॉलेज से घर आके आई वॉज रियली टायर्ड, सो आई डेंट स्टडी. आई जस्ट फेल अस्लीप एंड उठने के बाद आई वेंट टू द जिम में वेट्स के बाद थोड़ा वॉकिंग करते करते आई वॉज वॉचिंग प्रेप लैडर वीडियोज़ एंड आई वॉज वॉचिंग अ लेक्चर ऑन नियोनेटल रिससिटेशन एंड इट वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ फन. If you want to buy Prep Ladder, please use my code. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please make sure you do that too, and just stay fit and healthy. So guys, I came to college early today to attend my surgery lecture. So now I'm going to the pediatrics building. And आज हम case नहीं लेंगे. Today I'll just go and play with the kids. And yesterday I had learnt a few reflexes online. So वो elicit करेंगे and hopefully I'll be able to show you. So let's go. Just got back home from college and आज college में बहुत मज़ा आया. Today I got to elicit a few reflexes. The first one is the palmar grasp reflex. So it is basically a reflex that is present in neonates and early infants. So when you rub the back of the hand of a child, the hand opens up, and then if you put your finger from the side, the child grabs your finger.
खोलने का रहता है
ऐसे खोलने का.
हाँ मतलब you have
फिर?
to मतलब stimulate here basically
Okay.
एक किया
हाँ.
then उंगली देना चाहिए you grasp onto it, देखो
हाँ.
ये हो गया तेरा palm वाला
ऐसे साइड से दिया तो भी लेता है ना?
साइड से देना चाहिए
हाँ.
ये जो साइड रहता है ना
हाँ हाँ.
अल्नार साइड से घुसाना रहता है उंगली अपना इधर ऐसा ठीक है इधर then you hold on to it.
The next reflex is the Moro's reflex. The Moro's reflex is also called as the embracing reflex. So you have to tell the parents of the infant that you're gonna elicit you are going to elicit a reflex, and वो reflex के बाद baby थोड़ा रो सकता है. Baby का head पकड़ना है ऐसे and उसको थोड़ा सा बस नीचे छोड़ के वापस पकड़ना है. So the baby just elicits like a Moro's reflex, which is like he does this and then he does this. So in the clinics today, we had to do head to toe examination where we have to examine kids from their head to their toes and comment on various features. So for example, if the baby has like alopecia or like hair is absent, you have to comment on that. You have to comment on the eyes. So I volunteered for the head to toe examination, and basically whenever we had examined for pallor or anything like that, we always used to say without even examining ki pallor is absent. So today when ma'am asked ki check her palpebral conjunctiva, so I checked, like I pulled the lower eyelid down and I checked for palpebral conjunctiva, and without even thinking I just said ki pallor is absent. But then ma'am said ki KC anemia ka hai, so like pallor was present, and that was how I learned to check how pallor really looks like, and it was fun. Good morning everyone, it is Friday and it is the last working day of the week. I woke up late today, so I am just going to go to the wards, observe patients, and today I am taking chocolates for my patients.
रात्री 12 वाजता दूध हेडलाईन बघ माझ्या पोरीने दिले मला
ये वीडियो चालू है, आवाज चाहिए मेरे को, बस धीरे, बच्चे उठ जाएंगे. भाई कैसा था पोस्टिंग?
रॉकेट काट दिए,
कौन सा केस लिया था आज आपने?
अटेंडेंस शीट फाड़ दी. आज केस था मेरा नेफ्रोटिक्स नहीं, नेफ्रोटिक ओ किडनी हो सही नेफ्रोटिक.
ये भाई और कुछ बोलेंगे? Just got back from college. I had taken chocolates for my patients and I was distributing them in the ward. And ward में I gave a chocolate to a patient and then मुझे पता चला कि उसको डायबिटीज़ है. But ठीक है, टाइप 1 था, so it's okay. But anyway, उसके बाद हमारा नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम पे लेक्चर हुआ. I was with a senior in the wards today and he showed me a patient with a cerebellar lesion, and everything that I had read about in textbooks about all the tests and everything that goes wrong in a patient with cerebellar lesions, I could see. Whenever you do the knee jerk reflex in a patient with cerebellar lesion, there is a pendulous knee jerk, and when you ask the patient to join dots of a square or right, the patient cannot because he always overshoots or like undershoots, and he's never able to like reach the point correctly. Even when he goes to like grab an object, he will overshoot or he'll like undershoot, and he'll keep oscillating. So this was a week in pediatrics, and to wrap things up, I got to learn a lot of things, but unfortunately I still don't know how to hold a baby, because whenever I go to hold babies, they always cry. So I will have to learn that. But this was the best posting of my life. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you think in the comments.